First time using Elementor and feeling a little lost? No worries, let's quickly see how it works. Elementor basics under 5 minutes. To create a new Elementor page or post, click New and pick one. Then write a title and click on the Edit with Elementor button. Now this is where you build everything. On the left side, you have the toolbar to control everything you see on the page on the right side. You can hide the toolbar from the side button to see a better preview. When you open a new page, the toolbar shows you all the available elements. We can grab a text element, for example, and drop it on the right to show how it works. Now the toolbar changes and shows you 3 tabs: Content to edit the content, Style to edit the style of the content, and Advanced to change margins and motion effects and background images, for example. To change the structure of the sections or containers, click on the plus icon and pick one. Flexbox is great, and if you're still using sections, it works similarly. Now the toolbar shows you options to change the layout, style, and advanced. To add more elements, you can click on the grid icon to access them and drop another element on one of the empty boxes. Let's place an image here. Now we have 2 sections, 2 containers, and 2 elements. To select the section, click on the pink bar. To select the column, click on the gray column icon. And to select the element, click on the pen icon. On the bottom of the toolbar, you can click on the gear icon to open page settings, where you can hide the default title if you see one on your screen. Navigator helps you browse through the content when you have more sections and elements on your page. Keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+I. History shows you the actions you can undo, and on the revisions page, you see earlier versions of your page to restore them if anything stops working. Responsive mode lets you see how the page looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile by clicking on the button on the top row. Preview changes opens a new tab, how the live page looks. And Publish makes your page go live, and behind the menu, you can save a draft, save the page as template, or save without modifying the date. Finally, on the top left corner, you can access Elementor settings, where you can view page, exit, back to WordPress dashboard, or go to site settings, where you can change what colors and fonts the website uses, among other things. To go back, hit the X on the top. What else would you like to learn about Elementor? Let me know in the comments.